Guess what, you guys? The super simple, easy DIY series is back, and these are DIYs from Dollar Tree. I'm Jamie, the crafty DIY guy. Welcome back to my channel. And for the first DIY in my super simple Dollar Tree DIYs, we're going to take these reindeer and we're just going to make them a better color, something a little more popular and something that's a little more on trend. Now, go ahead and kind of bend up these antlers a little bit. This one I already did. You just want to make sure that the antlers are a little more prominent. Mine were kind of laid back and probably the way they were packaged to the store. But I wanted my antlers to stand up and be happy and proud. And the next thing I'm going to do is take them outside and I'm going to spray paint them a matte black. Matte black is very much on trend right now. It goes so good in my guest room. I love this. So simple. Now, this next DIY is also going to be very simple, and we are going to take these bells, these golden bells that I picked up from Dollar Tree. I made sure that I had 5 that were the exact same as far as the shape goes. The toppers that are on there, we're actually going to get rid of all those. So go ahead and take your lineman pliers. If you don't have lineman pliers, you should definitely get a pair. They make cutting through wires and stems and floral stems so easy because they are meant to cut through wire. You are just going to snip these away and just kind of pull these out. They'll put up a little bit of a fight and you'll get some little fronds all over the place, but that's okay. You can save all of those pieces too, by the way, and use those for future DIYs. I did not throw these away because I'm going to be using them for another project coming up very soon. Not in this video, but in a future video, I promise. So you've got all of these kind of ready to go. Just kind of start keeping, keep that stuff. And we are going to get rid of this last one. This last one put up a little bit of a fight. I had to tug pretty hard on it. And these other pieces just come right off. Now, take all 5 of these and I'm going to take them outside and I'm going to give them kind of a brass look. Now, I did not have any brass spray paint. I wanted a kind of an aged brass. So I took some black spray paint, then I took some brown, then I took a little bit of gold and just kind of kept doing layers on it until it got to the kind of patina that I like. Now, I've got some twine here and it's a pretty hefty grade of twine. It's a thickness anyway. It's not regular Dollar Tree twine, and I'm going to take this, and I'm just cutting off random pieces. I'm not even measuring it. I don't really care if it's consistent or not, because we are going to take the twine, and we're just going to kind of do a big triple knot on the end of it, because you want to make sure that your bell is going to stay on there. And then we're going to just start stringing these individually. Now, again, cut a piece of twine, cut it any length that you want to. It's totally up to you. And just go ahead and tie that double knot or that single knot or that triple knot. Just really depends on how thick your rope is. If you had nautical rope, this would probably be amazing because I think the nautical rope, especially now that Dollar Tree has kind of thinned it out a little bit for us, I think that size would also be really good for this. These are so cute, and you see a lot of people decorating like their fireplace mantles with them, and people put them on their front porch near the doorbell and things. I think I am going to end up putting mine on my mantle, but I'm not 100% sure. They definitely go with my Christmas tree and with the tone of everything, and they're just kind of fun. I've seen these decorative bells at Walmart and at other places, and they can be really expensive. And I've seen some that aren't even metal. Look how gorgeous these are. I love the way these turned out. I just kind of tied them together, and then I evened the string up at the top. I made sure that they were hanging at different alternations, and I love it so much. Now, this next DIY, if you saw my fall scarecrow pillows, then you know I was going to make a Santa pillow with this chair cover as well. So cute. And when you're stuffing this, you want to be able to not overstuff it. That way you can kind of flip over the Santa hat like you see there. So again, this is super, super cute. I probably should have ironed this a little bit with my Easy Press, but sometimes this like fleecy fabric will burn. So I didn't even risk it because I'm going to be putting this probably outside on the front porch or maybe even on the deck in the back. And I'm not going to worry about it. So this pillow is it's a hack job. It's a pillow that I cut in half and I used it for another project in the past. And so I recycle my stuffing and that's what I'm doing here. I'm taking the stuffing and I'm going to actually cut that pillow again in another half. And then that's what I'm stuffing inside of this Santa hat. Now, for the purpose of kind of gluing this together, I'm just going to go ahead and just stuff that foam as far back into that kind of point that it will go because I know that I can kind of, maneuver it around after the fact, after the glue is dried, and then kind of have that Santa flip that I'm trying to go for here. So this is just regular hot glue. Surebonder does make a fabric hot glue that you could also use if you wanted to. This has never really let me down. It's always been pretty easy, pretty consistent. It will be a little warm, so just be careful with that. And I'm just taking the hot glue gun and I'm literally just going down the kind of down the trim of the hat there. And we're just going to make a fantastic pillow. I wish that I could have found two of these covers because I do have two chairs out on the deck in the back that would be really cute with two little Santa hat pillows back there. But that's okay. I can make these work. And what's so great about this is because it was $1.25, like if it sits in the weather or you forget to bring it inside when it's raining or something, it's not that big of a deal. We obviously just don't want to waste things, but let's face it, sometimes it happens. Now, everything is glued, kind of zhuzh it around, and this is what your pillow looks like. How cute is this? This could be so cute in a chair in your living room, on your sofa, and it was $1.25. Now, keeping in that same kind of vein, this gift sack I thought would be so cute parked in front of the Christmas tree. And I want to kind of do a pillow with it, but because it is kind of oversized and big, I want to put this next to my Christmas tree. I think that this would really, really be cute next to the Christmas tree. So just like the chair cover, it's kind of sealed on all sides. You've got the opening at the top here, and we're just going to stuff it. So I have another pillow. This is the other half of the other pillow. And then I did have another pillow that I use, again, all the time for stuffing. Stuff it. Use the drawstring at the top. You don't even have to tie this off, or you don't even have to glue this off, rather. You definitely have to tie it off. And I just kind of wrapped the string around there a couple times just to kind of give it a little bit of zhuzh. And then I kind of finessed it out at the top. Look how cute this is. Can you imagine this sitting next to the Christmas tree? Even if it's just decorative and not holding a gift, how adorable. Now, speaking of adorable, I wanted to do something that would be good for like a teacher's gift, or maybe if your child is giving gifts at school to some of his classmates. These little packages of stockings are a 2-pack, and I believe I grabbed every single kind of style that they have. These were the 4 anyway. They were at my store. And go ahead and just remove all those pesky tags and everything. These were the little plastic clips on there were a little snug, so it was a little challenging to get the scissors in there. But once I did, I was able to separate them, and you can kind of see what we've got here. Now, I'm going to use these to pass out some business cards to my neighbors and to just kind of say hello to some of those folks. So I'm going to fill this with some candy. I'm going to definitely use some candy canes, peppermint candy canes and Christmas. That just kind of goes together for me. And I am going to take them out of this box. Now, there's a little too many candy canes in here, but that's okay because I like candy canes, and I will make sure that the balance of these candy canes go to really, really good use. Obviously, don't break your candy canes when you take them out of the packaging. And then these little like cherry kind of They're cherry flavored Andes mints. How yummy does that sound? And we are just going to take each one of the stockings. I am going to, in my case, add my real estate business card. I am going to add in some chocolates. I am going to add in a couple of candy canes and some other goodies. You could really put anything that you wanted in here. Gift cards would work really well in here. You could hang these on the tree, and that could be part of the gift. They would think that they're an ornament, and then you tell them, oh, there's one more surprise, and you've got the gift card. You could put cash in there. You could do all kinds of really fun stuff in here. And I am literally just going to have these, and I'm going to walk around and just say hi to some neighbors and wish them a Merry Christmas and pass these out. I'm not going to put them in people's mailboxes. I found out that that's illegal. And I'm just going to take them and probably honestly put them on their door, because they've got the little kind of hanging hooks inside of the stockings as well. And I'm just going to make sure that they get them. The idea, of course, is to hand them to them. But can you imagine, like, if you have a child that is going to school and they want to give like their best friends or something a gift, or maybe teachers gifts. Maybe your child has more than one teacher. This is a great way to do that. So many really fun things that you can do with these stockings. And I really, really liked these a lot. I thought that this was such a great idea. And this is what they look like when they're all ready to go. Super, super cute and adorable. All right, you guys, thank you so much. The number of comments have been overwhelming. I so appreciate. I'm glad you guys are really liking this kind of simple series, super simple, easy series. I got to work on the name. And let me know in the comments below what projects were your favorite. This is such a fun, kind of easy project idea, and I love being able to share all of those with all of you guys. If you had a favorite, definitely let me know in the comments below what favorite that was. And of course, if you are a OG, let me know in the comments below that you are an OG. And OG just means that you are one of my original subscribers. And if you're not one of the originals, that's great as well. I appreciate you being here. Let me know in the comments how long you've been around. So until next time, thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. We are moving towards the end of the year, and it has really, really, really been amazing. I don't want to get misty here, but thank you guys really from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate it so, so much. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later.